Welcome to 3632 Odell in Chicago. Wonderful neighborhood. As you can see, there's new construction up and down the block. The schools here are terrific. So come on in and let's take a look. The front door leads us into a nice sized living room with lots of windows that are newer, and it's nice and bright in here. As you can see the beautiful hardwood floors. That leads us into the hallway. A new bath on one side, we'll get to that later. Here's one of the 4 bedrooms, 3 on the first 2 floors, 1 in the lower level, so that might be a den or an office, if you will. So there's bedroom 1, it's kind of the smallest of it. This leads us to the kitchen. Again, beautiful hardwood floors. The kitchen has been updated. We have maple cabinets, granite countertops, and you can see all the sun coming through those windows from the southern exposure. And this is a eating area, a sitting area, whatever you'd like to use it for. That leads us out to a wonderful backyard. It is all fenced, and you have a large 2+ car garage to enjoy for all your stuff or for your cars. And here's another bedroom or den or what have you off of the kitchen. Beautiful feature of this home is that it does have lots of cabinets, or I should say closet space. It does have a lot of nice cabinets, but it also has lots and lots of closets. And that's not typical of some of these homes. Here's the just updated bathroom. It was taken down to stud and professionally done. So it's all modern, it's all new, and you'll definitely love that. Let's go this way, back by the front door. Head upstairs to the master bedroom. Again, the stairs are all nice hardwood. And a feature you're gonna love about the master bedroom, besides all the windows and how bright it is the vaulted ceilings. And again, lots of closet space. There's a couple of small closets plus a big walk-in closet right there. And then another nice feature of this master is this sitting area. I guess it could also be used as a den or a home office. I guess you could make it into a huge closet if you wanted as well, or maybe even a nursery. Let's head back down the stairs. And I'll show you the lower level. The full basement is finished. We have a laminate landing. And then as you can see, the big rec room, or family room, is all tile. And off to the side of the rec room is another full bath. So you have 2 full baths in this home. And back here is a big bonus. See, we have the laundry room. Washer and dryer are included. And then right behind me, we have another bonus room. I call it a den, an office, a study, a playroom. Once it's yours, you can do whatever you want with it. So back here, now you can see how big the rec room is for you and all your fun. We'll head back upstairs. Leading us back to the very large living room. We'll head out the front door here. So thanks for touring 3632 Odell. If you need to get a hold of us about this property, or any others that you'd like information about, please give us a call or go online and send us a message. Thanks.